We can do a lot with our partner money, okay?
I know. We do.
I know.
I know.
Hey guys, good morning and happy Monday. It is a new week. I'm currently at work right now. I got done teaching about 2 classes already. I'm currently on my prep. I'm gonna show y'all my little setup right now. This is what lesson planning in my world looks like. A lot of post-it notes, a lot of me prepping lessons for the week, doing my to-do list for the week. This is what I've just been using, just like random paper, and every Monday I create like my to-do list for the week. So the dates, what I need to do Monday, what I'm going to teach each day, and what we're going to do. So far I'm up until, I know we're having a quiz because we have a quiz every Friday. So I need to plan what I'm going to do Thursday. And then the day before, I need to make sure that my to-do list is complete for the next day, so I'm not feeling overwhelmed. So yeah, so this is what this is looking like. And I take a little phone break here and there. Ignore the kids, they're going to lunch right now. Well, middle school is, so they have to pass my floor. That's why it's a bit noisy. I came to work this morning and my Apple Watch was dead. Like, who does that? So I had to put it to charge. Luckily I have my charger, so now we should be up. I cannot teach without this thing. This is my saving grace. So I was like, let me charge it real quick on my break so that when I'm about to teach again, I have it. So I'm up and ready to go. So y'all, so my class is almost, I probably have about 20 more minutes on my break. So what I'm gonna do right now is, I like when the kids walk in, they already have, let me close the door, hold on. And we're back. When the kids walk in, I like to have their work already on their desk, because I'm usually at my door greeting them, making sure they're, you know, getting that urgency to come to class. So when they walk in, I want them to know what we're doing for the day. So I'll usually put their packets on their desk and stuff like that. So I'm gonna prep my room so when they walk in, we're ready to go. Cause I don't play. It's like, for the most part, I'm down to business. I know today's the first day back from Thanksgiving break, so they're probably, you know, a little out of it, and so am I. It was hard for me to wake this morning, so I'm taking it easy today. It's not that we are working, so never, don't think we're not gonna work, because we're working, honey. So we're gonna do work, but nothing too crazy, and I'm taking it light on them. And the lesson is a little light, so let's prep the room when they walk in. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, all the desks now have their papers on them. So when they walk in, they are ready to start. Usually when they walk in, they have an opener, so that's as soon as the bell rings, they get started on something they've learned before, just to check their understanding of a previous topic. So it's nothing new that they have to do, it's just revision, and then we get into the new lesson. Hey guys, what's up? So as you can see, now I'm home. I did not get to check in when I'm at work because my camera battery died and I didn't bring an extra one. So y'all saw a little snippet of me at work today. But now I'm home. Been home. Actually took my little came home, took a shower, took a nice little nap. And I'm up at 7:30 right now. Hungry with me, but I'm asleep, people. So right now we got some stew peas a bubble. I don't know if me I cook it in a moment. I just make the spinners them for throwing this. So I'm just making the dumplings to throw in the pot because my mom had to run on the road real quick. Yeah, as a girl for can spin dumpling, period. Now I'm gonna open this coconut juice and throw some in there so the pot can well nice. The only dilemma is me can't open can with knife, so I'm gonna know how to use a can opener. So how that go, people? Tell me. Because it's when me did live on my own, me did have an electric one, but it broke. And mommy decided that she not buy an electric one, so let's attempt to do this because I honestly don't know how to use it. I really can't. I don't even know how to position this thing. I know you spin this, see? But the good thing is, I can use a knife. I just need to poke a hole in it. So that's the, ooh, I need to put this flat. Alright, so open up a little bit. So let's have to go work with it. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So it is nighttime now, y'all. It is, I don't even know. I think it's about almost 12 o'clock. I can't really sleep because I took a nap earlier. Bad idea. But I'm using this time to be productive. So I was just checking some emails, answering to some business emails and stuff like that. I placed an order for Cyber Monday. Nothing too crazy. I saw these thigh-high boots on TikTok that's from Fashion Over that I wanted to try out. Hopefully they fit because I have like very thick calf muscles, so like it's hard for me to find like boots that's high. So hopefully they fit because I don't want to go through the process of sending them back. But I got those. Currently I just sorted out. So I've been running a partner now for a long time. So I never know how to explain to non-Caribbean people. I know not only Caribbean people do it, but the partner, basically what it is you get a group of people, say like 10 people, and if it's $100 a week, the drawing is $1,000. So basically every week somebody get $1,000. So it's like a saving thing that Caribbean people use to, you know, save, buy things, build houses. This is a part of our culture, honey. We can do a lot with our partner money, okay? I'm not tired, but I should go to bed because I've been getting to work like on time every day, like 8 o'clock. Usually I would like to get there probably like 15 minutes earlier to just like woosah and gather my thoughts and like, you know, just be with myself for a little bit because I'll be talking all day. But yeah, that did not happen this morning. I'm trying to sleep in my wig. I cannot sleep in my wigs to save my life. Like, I am a take my wig off every night type of person. And I'm like, all right, if I sleep in my wig, it'll save me so much time in the morning because I just have to fix my edges and straighten it a little bit. But child, I ain't even gonna lie to you. My brain is just telling me to like just take it off and put it on, reinstall it tomorrow. But I don't got time for that. So I'm gonna try to bear it tonight and keep it on. So that, am I in focus? There I go. I'm gonna try to put up with it tonight so that I could be on time for work tomorrow. Hey y'all, what's up? And sorry for the lighting. I turned the light off in here. But it is lunchtime. I just actually got back from a quick meeting. So I have like maybe 10 minutes left of lunch. I'm gonna try to eat this. I brought some of the stew peas from yesterday. I didn't even get to show y'all my plate last night, but y'all could see this. It looks so good. I just reheated it, so I'm about to try to eat. And I got a tropical rhythm my mom got me yesterday, and I've been drinking my water. I feel so tired. I look so sophisticated with this one, but if y'all are struggling with like your eyes burning and stuff when you're constantly on the computer, like for me, I had to start wearing this now because the projector that I used to teach, the light be in my eye and sometimes it hurts. So by wearing this, it helps because my eyes be burning. It really helps. I'll link them down below. I got them from Amazon. I think I got about 4 or 5 pairs. They're different colors. A clear one, a pink one, a black one, and like a cheetah print one. So yeah, 4 of them. I'll link them down below if you want to check them out. It protects your eye from, I think, like the blue light. And they weren't expensive at all. Good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. It's Friday and I'm getting ready for work. I'm so tired. Y'all, I slept in my week 3 nights this week. I had to take this bad boy off last night. I don't know how y'all girls do it. I had a good spin in this wig. I'm gonna wash it this weekend and lay it on down. I liked it. I always wanted to try a 99J here, and I did, and it's cool. Usually in the mornings, I will just like straighten it, and it straightens so well. Like one pass through the hair, and it's good. Like perfect. Like I don't gotta be. I see that? Perfect. Hey guys, it is officially the weekend. I'm done with work right now. They're allowing us teachers to leave early. Usually school ends at 3:10, but we can't leave until 4 o'clock. But today we can leave right after the kids, as long as the kids are leaving. My room is clear, honey. So we just gotta make sure the hallway is clear, and then we can skedaddle. I'm going to have drinks today with Jada. So that's where we're about to go, honey. Let's go home, change out of this work clothes real quick, and throw something on and go have a drink. I got my nails done, y'all. I forgot to show y'all. I got my nails done on Wednesday. I did cut them down and just did a basic black. It's not basic. My nail taker was like, it's nothing basic about it, period. It's just this nice little simple black. So cute. I love it. There's still kids out there, so let me go clear the hallway so I can go home. I'll catch y'all when I'm having drinks with Jada.
Hey, Flo.
Ew. You ready to get lit?
You are. Period. Come on, Zara.
Come on, Zara. Yeah. No, you're. Hold this.
Come on, cheers. Toast.
She's like, girl, I'm trying to watch my show.
She likes straws.
Hey guys, what's up? Happy Saturday. So last time I saw it, well, y'all saw me, it was, we went out with Jada last night. It was nice. Came back a little fast, so I'm gonna go sleep one night. And now we're here in Jersey. We're picking up sweets. So Shav is here. Shav, say what's up.
I pray.
Mommy's back there. So I'm getting gas in Jersey. One thing I love about Jersey is that they pump your gas for you. Love that for me, because I hate pumping gas. One thing about me, my gas tank is always low for that reason. So I love the fact that they pump it for you, nice and easy. So we are at this rest stop right now waiting, because they're actually meeting us halfway. He told me, well, he told us he was 25 minutes away almost an hour ago. Still waiting. So we're just waiting for them to head back to Philly, and we got some errands to run on the road, so I don't know if we're gonna have time to do everything, but hopefully. I just love my nails. Oh. I really think short nails is the move for me from now on. Like, I don't want no more long nails. Maybe for the season I'll probably just do all short nails. Love it. I can just function better. It feels different. You think okay, you can function with long nails, and I'm like, I'm fine. But once you get them short, it's like, oh, my damage is $60, y'all. Look at that.
Yo,
$60 to fill up my gas tank.
and we are waiting pan. Yo, remember if you look at things for me now?
Yeah, my tank is big.
Remember if you look at things for me?
Yeah, my gas is big.
Alright then.
This is gonna last me 2 weeks, and it's not even pay week. I don't buy gas on my off weeks, so I need to slow down on the driving.
Charlton, I'm to your bad man.
But anyway, guys, I'll check y'all in a little bit when sweets get here. Welcome back. Alright, so guys, we're doing a little Christmas decor shopping because we only have a Christmas tree. Last year we had all the decorations and everything, but them they got in Jamaica, so we are redecorating. So we're trying to find stockings, like to put gift stuffers in or whatever. So yeah, we got 2, they got 2, and we're just trying to find some little home decor stuff. Me like how they organized by colors. Mommy, you see it coming out. We're in Hobby Lobby. Jada told me about Hobby Lobby. I don't really know about it. Okay. Alright guys, so yeah, we're in Hobby Lobby. We're all the way in Jersey in Hobby Lobby because I don't think there's one in Philly. So we're just looking for stuff. I'm still in the process of like finding stuff for my room, finding stuff for Christmas. Everything in the store right now is 50% off for Christmas sales. So trying to get some stuff, mommy and look and everything. So yeah, hopefully we can decorate tonight, if not tomorrow. But you don't want to tree block them?
No, what? Well, you put 2 or so. And the rest of them.
Alright, let me see. Hey guys! So we are decorating officially. The tree been up since when? Yesterday? Yesterday. But it didn't have the final stuff on it. I'm basic. I can do without the red. I love like just the white look of it. And sorry for the glare and the background noise. Sorry about the glare, it's the lighting. And then we bought some stockings to put up. So the girls get these type of stockings and the guys get these types of stockings. Interior decorator? Interior designer?
No.
Interior designer?
It's alright.
But all other songs, so.
Interior decorator number 1. Why you tell me can't even catch up? Interior decorator number 2. I don't know what he is. Number 3. And y'all can't see me because I don't got my bonnet on. We also have a little thing going on the steps going up. We're missing some stuff there, so we might have to get some lights to go up a little bit more. But that's that. We should have some Christmas pillows for the couch. I'm not turning on the lights out here, so then y'all can't see it right now, but there's decoration behind the blinds so that when it lights up you can see it from the outside. But I don't like the red, but that's just my preference, you know. So where are the stockings going now?
How much are they?
And then we got to figure out where to put the gifts. Right here, huh? Yeah, that may say it makes sense. There's 4 of them.
4, so one of these on this one that side. I think she's on that side.
Alright.
I'm doing these things.
Make a seat now. Hey guys. So today is Sunday and it's almost Monday. It's almost midnight. And I just realized that I did not pick up the vlog today at all to vlog. I have my hand brace on because my hand and like my wrist area is hurting. I feel like every time I'm on a computer a lot or something, whether work or editing, I always get like carpal tunnel. I don't know if it's carpal tunnel, but my wrist always hurts, so I have to keep this brace on for a little bit. It helps a lot. But anyway, we didn't do much today. No cooking, no going today. No big Sunday shindig, no going. We just eat some rice and shrimp, curry shrimp. And yeah, we're over here drinking some rum cream and just chilling. Man, Sweet's about to watch a movie and call it a night. But I just realized that I did not pick up the vlog today. Alright, babe, how you as I treat you so far?
Bad.
Bad?
Yeah.
Why?
Can't manage you with that.
Can't manage you with that.
Oh, them people, man.
You love being here with me? Yeah? Alright, okay, alright.
I can cut you out.
I mean, I'll cut that out, yes, man. But anyway, what we are going to do now?
Alright. Most people like it.
All the people that send enough well wishes, then happy for we.
Happy for we. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Okay,
So everybody, thank you for all the well wishes, then send happy for we. You're here now.
Hey, guys.
And you know watch your vlog, you know, saying that even though oh my tell you the same day here. Him not rate me, him don't rate the thing.
You don't
watch it. You don't watch it.
I'm telling you something up in there.
What?
Alright. You want to tell us something up in your
But we see.
No, you want to tell us something up in there.
No, because it can't be a clip that you were in because you were there.
No, right.
Alright, give me something.
Let me tell you why I bet.
Alright, then let us win.
No, what want to win?
Alright, we want to win. Alright, me have some for you win. Come. Okay, come now. Me tell her after. 5, 4, 3.
You did that school.
That's a given, like what? That was a given, ma'am. Nope. Anyway, guys. Good night. We're gonna watch our movie.
No.
What?
Where the girl is at? Either who? Who?
I know.
I know.
I know I must have sent it apart. I shall send it. I shall send it. You know, but I shall send it, babe.
Why I shall?
Cause I shall comment on it.
I don't know, honestly.
You know what you do? I'm not watch my video, them people, but it's okay. I should even put me into my thing because either somebody said, remember tell you, people then we watch and send parts to him with him, you know. Just say no, watch me vlog them. It's okay. I mean, it's not okay, but
I mean, watch more say vlog them. Me watch
when you want to fast and swim, I do.
Get ready with me.
Get ready with me, and what else?
I'm not fast and swim.
Anyway, bedtime. We're gonna try watch a movie. Well, I'm gonna try to stay up. It is currently. It's 11:55, y'all. It's 11:55. So it's bedtime. Thank you for tuning in to another weekly vlog. I will check y'all tomorrow. Have a blessed week, y'all. Say bye, boo.
Bye, boo.
Bye,
guys.
Alright. We're out.